Hello everybody, and welcome to the Crown Lounge. Today's episode, do something special and different. I like different. We're going to do a ginger martini. Yep, ginger. Maybe you're feeling sick and you want a little ginger in your life. I'm lying, this is not a medical drink at all. It will cure nothing, but may cause hangovers. Who knows? But anyway, to make this, we need gin. I am going with a Roku gin, a Japanese gin. I think because this is a ginger drink, this is very, it has 6 unique Japanese botanics, right? So I think this is a very herbal gin. So I think it'll pair well, but you use whatever gin you want, right? So first we need 2 ounces of gin. Next, we need 1 ounce of a ginger liqueur, right? This is 35%. It's by Pataka Ginger Liqueur. I got it from Total Wine. Whatever you got around your area may work. So we're going with 1 ounce of a ginger liqueur. Next, we're going to go with 1/2 ounce of a simple syrup. Just a little sweetness, right? Just 1/2 ounce. This is homemade simple syrup. Real easy to make. Last, 1/4 ounce of lime juice. I already squeezed it. We're going to put this in a shaker cup with ice, which I already have ready. We're going to shake this quite a while. We want this super, super cold, right? Next, we're going to let it sit for a second, settle down, right? I like these shaker cups again because they twist on, they seal really well. Double insulated, strainer in top, and inside is a measuring cup. But so we're going to pour our ginger martini in a martini glass, or you can smell it. And here you have it. Cheers, ginger martini. This is another really good martini. Just that little bit of simple syrup comes through a lot, and it helps balance it out. You can garnish this with like some cucumber slices, make it look pretty. I'm not really a pretty drinker, I'm just a drinker. Anyway, don't forget to like, follow, share. Till next time, cheers.